Hey everybody, Jason here with Midwest Coyote Pursuit. Today we're going to be going over the Taipan V2. Going to do an unboxing and a review on it. Picked up this unit from our partners over at 365 Thermal. Wade has got amazing customer service over there. Got anything that you can think of when it comes to night hunting, coyote hunting, any sort of predator hunting. Make sure you use our discount code that I'll have in the description of this video below. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into this unboxing.
Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I cut the back open just so it's a little bit easier to unbox. Again, this is the Taipan V2 19384. It's a 384 monocular. Looks like a very good unit from what I've seen on the other review videos. So opening up the box here, first thing you're gonna see is the instruction manual. Gives you all the information you're going to need to run this bad boy. Or if you're like anybody else, just look on YouTube. So, first thing that we're going to look at here is the box here on the side. It's got a little instruction card or a advertisement card from AGM. Got a lens wipe case for it. Different adapter, plug it in, another adapter for plugging in, and then of course charging cord. Stuff all that back in here. I originally started off with AGM scopes. I started off with the Rattler. This kind of just seemed like a decent unit to test out, so figured why not. Looking in the bottom here, looks like you got your dock for your batteries, little instruction manual on your battery dock, it looks like. Then looks like it comes with 2 batteries. It is an 18650, but it does have the protruded top on it, so definitely a different style battery than what I'm used to on the Rick scopes. You can see the difference there. Put those back in there. And then we got the unit itself. Already has the strap on it. It is a solid unit, battery pack or battery housing on the side here. Very lightweight unit. But overall first impression of it, again, I can't stress it's super lightweight. I'm going to throw some batteries in this, do some filming off of it, and see how she looks.
Overall, this Taipan V2 by AGM is a great unit, very lightweight, very compact. One of the cool features that I do like on this is it has an angled auto off feature to where if you're out scanning around in the field and you put it down, it'll put this monocular into a standby mode. Save you some time and some hours on the batteries here. The 384 resolution on it is incredible. I am very impressed with it. For being a 384, I'm a 640 guy myself, but overall, this unit is awesome. And if you'd like to get your hands on one, reach out to my buddy Wade over at 365 Thermal. He can hook you up. Our discount code is in the show description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on our Facebook page, follow us on our podcast that we got going. Been getting a lot of good guests on there. And yeah, great unit. Thanks for watching.